All right, let's talk about how you can start tutoring on Preply with a smile. Spoiler alert, it's super easy and super fun. But first, make sure to click the link in the description below to get your special offer. So why Preply? Well, imagine this. You're chilling at home, sipping your favorite coffee, and getting paid to teach something you're passionate about. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not a dream, it's Preply. First things first, go to preply.com and sign up to become a tutor. Don't worry, it's faster than you think. You'll fill out some basic info, upload a snazzy profile picture, and boom! You're halfway there. Next, you get to show off what you know. Create a compelling tutor profile. Highlight your skills, experience, and what makes you a superstar tutor. Remember, this is your time to shine. Now here's where it gets really fun. You set your own rates and availability. Yep, you heard that right. Want to teach at 2 a.m. in your pajamas? Go for it. Prefer working evenings or weekends? Totally up to you. But wait, there's more. Preply's got your back with marketing, payment processing, and tech support. So you just focus on doing what you do best, teaching. Plus, they've got a huge student base waiting for you. Speaking of students, get ready to meet people from all over the world. You'll be connecting with learners from different backgrounds, cultures, and languages. It's like having a global classroom right in your living room. And here's the kicker. Preply offers resources for your professional development. That's right. You can keep getting better and better at what you do and grow your own teaching business. Now let's talk about money. Some people worry about the commission structure, but think of it this way. Preply is handling all the heavy lifting so you can focus on teaching and earning. So, set your rates wisely and watch your earnings grow. All right, let's recap. Sign up on Preply, create an awesome profile, set your rates and schedule, and start connecting with students from around the globe. Easy peasy, right? So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to start your Preply journey and grab your special offer. Go on, become the tutor you've always wanted to be and start making a difference, one lesson at a time. Thanks for watching, and happy tutoring!